Hey, thanks for tuning in. Another year has passed, so that means I'm uploading again, I guess. But all jokes aside, I don't even believe that anyone on this planet cares at all. But this footage is already more than 2 years old. My SD card broke, and only recently Magician was able to repair everything that was on this SD card. And yeah, so here we go. Plus my lovely friend Nata, who you'll see in this video and who you saw in my previous videos, moved to Iceland last year, and that's another reason for me to watch all the footage back. And yeah, I miss her. No, you stop crying. Oh, and my nails in this video. That's apparently what I liked 2 years ago. Let's not talk about it. Okay, so here we go. We made it to the hostel in Croatia. It's so nice. I'm sweating a lot, it's very hot. I've been thinking about making a diving license for a really long time now. I've wanted to go diving since I was, I don't know, maybe since I was 10 years old or something. And it's a really big dream of mine. Yeah, maybe I can go diving somewhere around here. Endlich sind wir auf der Seite vom Sonnenuntergang. Digga. Guck, wie gelb wir sind von der Sonne. Spasti. Nata and I already traveled a lot. We always want to see the sunset in the country that we are currently traveling in. And yeah, it's like, I think 90% of the time we don't make it to the sunset.
Well, how many times have it been? Have only been like 4 times or something.
Yeah.
So you can't say 90%.
Yeah, okay, then never. We never made it to the sunset. And this is the very first time that we are at the right place at the right time where the sunset is.
I would say without planning it, because we have experienced some really nice sunsets in Sifnos.
Oh, yeah, right.
One of the most beautiful sunsets.
Yes, I have to correct myself. Maybe I find the video of that sunset and I'll insert it here. Nope, didn't find it. Otherwise, if I didn't find it, you will just watch this particular sunset right now. are solar panels, and they save the energy from the sun during the day, and in the night, or when the sun sets, as it just did, it starts to glow in different kind of colors. And yeah, people are celebrating it and they're all having a good time. It's kind of like a little open air party actually, and everybody's invited. A very friendly woman in our hostel told us that there are some pipes here in the water and they make music. Can you hear that? We are still looking for the pipes though. Oh my god, I think these are the pipes. Am I wrong? Oder von wo kommt das? Ah, auch hier von hier. The pipes are kind of underground, these stairs, and you can see those holes. And the sound comes out of those holes. I think this is really relaxing actually. You can just sit here and dream.
I'm wondering what is the technical explanation behind it. Like, is there?
I think because the water goes under the stairs, and you know it moves the air because the water is moving, and it pushes the air through the holes with its movement.
It's totally, the noises are totally random.
Yeah.
Created by the waves.
Yeah. So nice. Yeah. I'm so amazed by this.
I just love this weather.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
Discovery diving. This is the captain, his name is Milan. This is his boat and he lives on this boat and he makes a special meal. He's a fisherman too, so what he catches, he makes this brodetto. It's really good. Alle seid Deutsch, ich spreche viel besser Deutsch.
Ach so. Und das Treffen mit ihm wäre auch hier, oder?
Nee, ich würde euch dann auf eine Stelle hinschicken, wo ihr dann um 10 Uhr sein müsstet.
Okay, danke auf jeden Fall. Tschüss. That's it for today. I hope you liked it. I don't care if you didn't. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. I hope I won't be as lazy as I have been during the last couple of years. I hope it doesn't take me another year to edit a flippin' video. Yeah. Thanks for hanging out with us, and see you next time. Bye! Oh, that was so laser Koshi. I mean, just like bye. Regular bye. Okay, bye.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Otis, you crazy mother.
Ist immer geil.
Basti.